Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you a checkmate with a queen and a king in the endgame section. A queen and king checkmate is a very common and important checkmate to know. White should proceed by eliminating the squares the black can make until he can only move back and forth between two squares. Currently, black queen is containing black's king to a rectangle as shown with the arrows. White will now start the shrink the rectangle with the move queen d3 check. Okay. The black king now moves out of check with the moves king e5. Now king move to e5. Now white proceeds with the move queen d4 check. Continuing to shrink the rectangle, black's king is contained to. Okay. Now queen go to d4 check. In this case, black king will now have to move foot of check. One of those moves being a5. Yeah. Then as you can see the rectangle has been shrunk and the black king has many less space than at the beginning. White will now proceed with queen e3, shrinking the king's space one again. Okay, queen e3 now. Then we will see. Now white will continue to limit the black king squares with the move queen f4. Okay, king go to g6, then queen f4. Okay, you will notice that when the queen is not protected by the king, it will stay, keep moving a knight strength away from the black king. The black king must move again, allowing the black queen to jet again limit his squares. Now king go to h7. Now the queen is now going to limit the black king to two squares with a move queen g5. Okay, and jet again the queen is a knight's length away from the king. In this case, now king go to there in h8. Now we will see the king only has one legal move, which is king h8. Yeah, this is the h8 move. White will now start bring his king up so that he can checkmate with the black king. White will proceed with the move king d4. Then now black will move his only legal move king go to h7. White will now move king e5, continuing to bring the king up. Now push the king to e5. Now black chain. Black will again make his only legal move, which is king h8. Then white chain. White push the king to f6. Okay, white will complete bringing his king up with a move f6. Okay, then black will come again make his only legal move king h7, then that's it. In one move, beautiful checkmate with queen. Okay. Now white will checkmate the black king with a move queen g7. Okay. Now queen g7 checkmate. Now that you know how to checkmate with a king and a queen. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.